Good morning. It's 4:30 in the morning, and do you know where your computer repair technician is? Hopefully, he's at the office doing his work. Anyways, a couple of days ago, I posted about the advantage of using virtual machines or virtual computers, and here's a perfect example that has really helped out my client and mine. Um, Last year, I had a client purchase two brand new servers. In this particular case, they're not computer savvy. They are the blue collar people. Yes, they go out and dig trenches with their excavators and build buildings and redo roads. So, computer technology not their forte, but they needed a server for their AutoCAD program and some other things. And so what I did for them is I made them virtual servers on real machines. So here's an example of this. I'm currently connected to it using a remote program because I'm doing their weekly backup and updates, obviously, making sure that they're done. But watch this. This is their server program. You see I'm connected to it with a remote, and I'm also connected to it using a program, a real VPN program called Hamachi. Let's do a shutdown here. Now, the reason why I do this because backing up this server, which is what I'm doing this remote for, backing up the server for a virtual server is just so much easier. Just like in the video I showed you, you just copy all the files. Pretty much, that's what I do for backups. Once a week, I remote in, shut the server down, copy all the files to an internal backup drive, and then those get pulled off-site. But yeah, that's it. So it does take a moment to shut down, but yeah, I just wanted to show you this. Now, just to prove that that point is there, let me go up here and pop this out of the way so you can see the computer behind it. So go here. That's the server in the virtual machine. I'm going to open up another file. So we're going to copy this since the virtual machine is shut down. We're going to copy that. We're going to go over to here. I'm going to create a new folder. We're going to call it backup. Kind of obvious, right? And today is 0806. We're going to go into that folder. And there we go. That's a backup of the server. Everything on their server. That easy. And then, like I said, through Hamachi, I can pull down a copy here in the event of some catastrophe where the physical machine was destroyed. I would have a copy of it. And I could physically run it here until a new physical machine could be built. That's the advantage of a virtual machine. And virtual machines, obviously, I had mentioned you can use it on any operating system. In this particular case, this is Windows 2019. So, yeah, or Server 2019, sorry. So, yeah, that's the advantage of a server or running a virtual machine. Especially if you hook in with it with a remote, you can do client backups so much easier. Those who work in the IT field will tell you that it's usually a daily, a weekly, and a monthly. There's always three parts to a backup, which they get into. There's like differential, incremental, and end of month stuff, and those are the standards you comply to. This is a complete and total system backup once a week. And I do it once a week. I could do it every day if I wanted to, but I do it once a week because, in general, unless you are a big company doing, massive amounts of information on a daily basis, if you lose 1 week, most people have 1 week worth of stuff, even though they may have completed it. Most people can recreate 1 week worth of stuff, and this particular company can, between invoices, accounts payable, they could recreate one week worth of stuff relatively quickly. So yeah, this is what I'm doing: remote backups for clients, and by using a virtual machine, it is so much easier. And like I said, then the only thing I got to do is once this copy is done, I can use my computer, pull a copy down, and that way I have a copy of their server. So in the event the whole place burnt down. I've got copies of it, so it's a nice little thing to do. So, anyways, that's what you do with a virtual machine, and I wanted to give you a real live demonstration of how that worked. Because sometimes you just can't grasp it until you see it. So there you go. You guys have a great day. And like I said, it's 4:45 in the morning now. But this is what I do first thing on Saturday morning, every Saturday morning. So you guys have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye bye.